Welcome to this video. Here I show you how to use Sublitocotton transfer paper on light cotton t-shirt. Set temperature and time in heat press machine 185 degrees and 50 to 30 seconds. Mirror printing the image. Please take the transfer paper to transfer immediately within 5 minutes after printing on the printer. Iron the fabric that will be transferred into. Allow about 5 seconds to make it flatter. Okay, time's up. Pin it quickly after hitting press. To make the result better, you could use oil paper to heat press again.